Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy M23 and I want to show you how add remove magnification to this device. To do that, open Settings application where we look for our accessibility selection, and there we tap on our vision where we have our magnification right there. Tap on it and turn on our shortcut by switch on. Choose option of our activating our magnification, maybe first one, confirm by OK, and we have our shortcut. To zoom our screen, tap on it and we open our magnification, which position we can easily change using two fingers and swiping on the screen. You can zoom on or zoom out. To turn off it, press again on your shortcut. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.